welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. If this is your first video, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I really hope that you guys find enough value here that will cause you to subscribe to the Andersons, smash a like on the video, and definitely leave a comment. It really helps out the channel. As you guys can see, I'm just finished working out. I haven't worked out in a couple of months. One of my goals going forward is to start getting back into shape. It makes no sense for you to be working on all areas of your life and not focusing on one of the most important area, which is actually your health. So that's definitely something that I'm gonna be working on. And you know, today is the first day back into the gym. Now we have a gym on the apartment that we're living, which is super convenient, so there's absolutely no excuses for them. Now, what are we going to be talking about today, guys? We're going to be doing a little bit of reflection about 2022. How was it? Was it a good year? Was it a bad year? What did we learn? Did we accomplish all of the stuff that we set out to accomplish at the beginning of the year? And what are we looking forward to most as we go into 2023? Now, as we get into this video, guys, I want to let you guys know that everybody's journey is different, and slow progress is better than no progress. It doesn't matter where you are in your respective lives, as long as you can find something to be grateful for. That is all that matters, right? Now, I'm going to be sharing our story, our journey over the course of the year, and hopefully you guys will see fit to share your journey in the comment section as well. Now, 2022 was a year that began with a lot of promise and a lot of hope. Now, we had applied for permanent residency in 2021 that we didn't get any reply for it. In January 2022, we decided that we're going to start the Express Entry profile to just give ourselves another shot. At the time, we were on a postgrad work permit. I had a job, but I wanted growth. One of my main missions was to find growth and development in my career. Nats was just coming off maternity leave. She wanted to find a full-time job or a part-time job at least, because maternity benefits was going to be expiring after a couple of months in 2022, right? So there was a lot of uncertainty as we began the year. So we didn't have PR. We don't know when or if PR was going to come through. I wanted more for my job. I wanted more development and growth. And Nats wanted a job because at the time she was on maternity. So in a nutshell, we had more questions than answers as we began the year. As the year progressed though, we steadily started working towards the goals that we have set out for ourselves. One of the first things that happened was the fact that I was able to find a job that equaled progress or development in my career. That was something that we had set out for at the beginning of the year. So that was one of the first things that materialized. Now, Nats found it difficult to find a job. At first, she found a part-time job. It was okay, but it wasn't enough, right? And then it was a temporary position, so that would have became, I'd say, redundant probably in the summer, which was in June. She did that job. Going through the year, she started looking for jobs. Found it very difficult for her to find a job because she was looking for a job in a specific field. And of course, as we always say, guys, it's very easy to find a job here in Canada, but what is difficult is when you are looking for a job in a specific area of focus, it might take some time. So that was what we experienced when Nats was looking for a job, right? Now, we've shared video where we get into detail about the pros and the cons and the ups and the downs of that journey. But nonetheless, she was able to find a job, and a very good job. Now, she didn't want to do any job because she has done enough cleaning jobs. She has done enough low-skill jobs since coming to Canada. So we made a decision that, you know what, we're going to wait, we're going to stay focused, and we're going to find a job that is tailored specifically to you. And luckily, she was able to find it. So those are two of the main goals that we had for 2022, which I'm happy to say that those have been materialized. One of the biggest goals that we wanted as well was to become permanent resident by the hook or by the crook, as you guys know. So created the Express Entry profile. We applied for the AINP, paid extra money for that. Applied for the Express Entry after we got our invitation. Even though we had another permanent resident application running, we paid an additional $3,000 for that. And happy to say that right before Christmas, we got our approval for permanent residence. Just when we were losing hope and focus on PR, and started looking forward to 2023 because we had given up to say that it's not going to be in 2022 anymore. But we got the best Christmas gift that we could have ever asked for. We got our permanent residency approved, and that made the year a very successful year as far as I can see. Those are the main goals that we had on our agenda, and I'm happy to say that we were able to materialize those goals. Now, some of the stuff that we did not accomplish, we wanted to, well, I wanted to get back into shape, get back into the gym and stuff like that, but that never really materialized. I have to show a lot more discipline where that is concerned. That's something that's a commitment that I've made to myself. That was something that I wanted in 2022, but it didn't really happen. Another thing that I really wanted to happen in 2022 was for us to, travel more of Canada, to go to different provinces and see what it is like. Go to the Atlantic provinces, Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, just to take a little vacation, just to see what it is like. But unfortunately, that never really materialized, so that is pushed forward to 2023. So that's one of the things that we're looking forward to. Now, 2023 is a new beginning for us. It's a transformation for us. We have learned a lot in 2022, both professionally and personally. We have learned that, everything is in life happens for a reason, and if you don't take care of yourself, nobody else will. We have made a lot of effort and sacrifice to help a lot of people. Sad to say that not everything worked out the way or we intended it to work out. And because of that, we're a little bit more hesitant in who we help and how we help, which is not good because the type of persons that we are, we're always extending ourselves, or are willing to extend ourselves to people, even total strangers. But there are some persons who have made it difficult for us to help other persons just because of the outcome of certain relationships, right? Now, we are on a path, and our path is self-actualization, which is to be the best version of ourselves that we can, and just remain positive and create good network. Your network determines your net worth. So we are on a path of networking more, making more connections, connecting with persons of like-mindedness, persons who are on a path to success, persons who are willing to work hard and succeed, and persons who are just not willing to give up on their dreams. So one of the things that I'm hopeful for is that for a lot of you persons, guys who are watching this video right now, that you will be successful as well. If coming to Canada is a dream of yours, then definitely go forth and let it happen. It's not just for some people, it's for everybody, contrary to what some other persons might make you think. Some person might make it seem like you don't deserve it. Some person might make it seem like it's just for them, but that's not the case. The case is it's for everybody, and as long as you want it and put in the hard work, you can definitely get it, all right? Now, as we go forward in 2023, guys, my best advice to you is to keep positive, right? Surround yourself with positivity. Don't encourage any form of negativity or persons of a negative nature. Stay far from drama, stay far from the noise. Don't listen to the noise. Focus on your dreams, focus on your goals, and go towards it, right? Get uncomfortable. Because comfort destroys ambition, right? When you're comfortable, that's when you'll fail. Get uncomfortable and be comfortable being uncomfortable. All right, guys, that's one of the biggest advice that I can give you, right? As we go into 2023, guys, it's going to be a wonderful year for each and every one of us, and all of our goals and ambition will come to light, will come to fruition, and will definitely become a reality. All right, guys, now there's so many things that's happening in our lives that we are so grateful for. Some of it we can't say right now. But there are so many blessings, guys, that we will share in due time. Everything is just materializing. Some of it has came through already, but we'll definitely share that success with you guys when the time is right, when the timing is right. And we're just so overwhelmed by the just the amount of good things that's happening in our lives. And one of the main things that we did was to disassociate ourselves with negativity, right? Now, there are persons in your life who come into your life for a season, and there are persons who come into your life for a reason, right? Now, not everybody in your life is permanent. Friends or family, not everybody in your life is permanent, and you have to remember that. Now, whatever is stifling you and whatever is causing you not to be your best self, don't entertain it, right? Just keep focus on yourself and on your family, and I promise you it will be worth it. Because in my life, in my family's life, we can see a lot of changes as soon as you know, like we just get out of certain space and just focusing on ourselves and guarding our own energy and just focusing on our own success. There's definitely like so many doors that have been opened for us, and there are doors that's gonna be open for you too as well. Now, one of the things that that I can share, guys, is the last time Nathan and I, we did a video when we went to the doctor with Malika, and you guys saw that she had to do a surgery to remove her adenoids. Now we have gotten a date for that surgery. That surgery is gonna be in another 2 weeks. Hopefully, that is the answers to all of our prayers. We're removing that adenoid will cause her to start talking, will cause her to, you know, start functioning in a as close as possible to neurotypical way, and stuff like that. Just send some positive vibration our direction, guys, and just, you know, just keep being yourself, keep being who you are. And thank you guys for the support, thank you guys for the love, thank you guys for the encouragement over the course of 2022. 2023 will be bigger and better, both for the Andersons and both for yourself as well. If you believe that, guys, smash a like on the video right now, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, and drop a comment right down below. Really helps out the video, guys. See you guys in the next video. All right, big up yourself. Remember, inspire, motivate, and educate. See you guys in the next video.
Yes.